This is problem number 1 from day 2. So we're going to start this problem by looking for a double negative. We do not have one. Since we do not have a double negative on problem number 1, we're going to go ahead and circle the terms. It's really important that you always circle the terms and move it over. And we want to make sure that when you circle the terms, you get the number completely with the sign to the left of it. Okay? And the next term is negative 30. We're going to go ahead and move it over here and stretch that out. You have to be careful because we have a lot of boxes, so sometimes you can delete things by accident. So I'm going to stretch it a little bit more, and there we go. The next step is to answer this question, which term has the most chips? But before we do that, we need to make sure that we put it in the right place. We have negative 20, so negative 20 goes there. And then we all have another negative, so that's going to be negative 30. So which term has the most chips? If we were to draw all these, we would say the negative 30 has the most chips. Now that I have two red terms, I'm going to look to the rules. I see two red terms, and the answer should be a red also, should be a negative. But I'm looking what I have to do. I have to add. Another word for add is going to be to combine. You're going to combine these terms. So I'm going to move it over to show that I have to combine them. So when I combine a negative 20 and a negative 30, that's going to be 50. So, negative 50. So combine is another word for add. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put here negative 50. Because we combined them, we added. And our answer is negative, so we're going to have to put another circle and show that completely. And you want to make sure you include the sign to the left. So we have a red term and another red term to give you a red answer, which is they're all negatives, right? So we're going to get this check and we're going to put it next to the rule that we're using. So in this problem, you have to make sure that you look for a double negative. You did not find it. You circle the terms. You're going to put your terms into the into the table where it belongs, and you're going to answer which one has the most chips, and you put the star on the one with the most chips. You look at your rules. You're going to add because you have two reds, two negatives, and you're going to add. So another word for add is combine. So we put that, and you make sure you do your work, and you put it right in the blue box. You put your answer where it belongs, and then you also circle your answer with the correct color for your term. So this is how you do problem number 1. I hope this helps. Thank you.